Hi guys, I am going to explain how to enable VPN in mobile. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. So it is a private network that will be having a lot of servers. Each server is belongs to some country. So it is server will be based on country wise they will separated. So when we connect VPN through application, it will connect to particular country server, and through that server we will access the website on our application. This is the simple process of VPN. It's not based on country. Normally in the VPN mobile application having country wise VPN. Apart from that, VPN will be used in some sensitive data. If you are transferring through server to server, we'll use that VPN and all. So in the payment application and all, if you want to access the particular server, so we will use the VPN. Similar to that, mobile VPN application also having some server to access any website or application. So this is VPN. So what is the use of VPN? Suppose if you want to access some application or website which is not working in our location, so we will connect that application, that mobile network to some other VPN server. Through that server we will access that particular application or website. So it will be like virtually we are present in that particular location. So that we are mentioning that virtual private network. So so while using VPN, it is end-to-end encryption will be there. So it is secure to browse the content in through VPN. So it's based on the VPN provider. So this is the use of VPN. Apart from that, if you want to access any site that's getting more traffic, if you can't able to access that website, then that time you can use the VPN. So what will happen, the particular country server has been hanged due to lot of traffic. So when you use VPN, it will direct the path to another country server, so you will get easy access to the particular website. So lot of advantages there while enabling the VPN. So I'll tell how to enable the VPN. So before that, I'll show what is my IP. Just go to Google and check search what is my IP, then it will show what is my IP.com. Just enter into that. So it is showing some Indian IP location code or something. So I'm going to enable VPN. You can download Super VPN. You can just in the Play Store search VPN. You will get lot of application. So you can use Turbo VPN, whatever VPN which is good rating, you can see that. So currently I am using Super VPN. It's somewhat better. So I already installed this application. I will just open that. So since it's a free version, it will show some advertisement. So if you pay for that application, you won't get any unnecessary ads. So you just continue and you can click connect. Just close the ads. Now it is connected. Now go to the browser and refresh that. Let me check what is the IP now. See, IP has been changed. It is showing some other country IP. So it means it connected to FR means France, I think. So it is connected to the France server, so we are accessing whatever sites now, it will access through France server. So let me disconnect and connect again. Now refresh that IP, refresh that browser. So we got another IP. So this is a process of VPN. We can get to know now the IP has been changed from India. So we are confirming that we are connected to the VPN. So once connected to the VPN, we can access websites application through VPN. If we are out of the boundary of that website or application, still we can access all the websites and application, because we are processing that website and application through VPN. So it will work fine without any issue. Just try that how it working. That's it. Thank you.